everybody, and I'm back with another video. I got a Cirkul box in the mail, so I'm going to open this up with y'all. I do have my cloud cutter from Cirkul for Peace. Love it, girl. So sneak peek. My TV just did something weird, sorry. So the first thing I picked up is this certain lemonade. Never heard of it before. Me and my husband both use Cirkul, so one other of us will probably like it. Next thing I got is the prickly pear. I got a honey green tea. I tried the regular green tea. And I really liked it. So, trying the honey. The apple. The Dragon Bliss Refresher. Super excited to try this. My husband's going to try that one. And then this is the Berry Peach Acai Refresher. I know they have a strawberry one at Starbucks, and they have a dragon fruit, so I figured these might be similar to that, so I wanted to try them. This is the watermelon flavor walk off. Then I have the sweet tea. I don't think I've ever tried that one. Then I had some points that I could use. So my husband uses one of the plastic bottles, squeezy bottles. So I picked up this for him and another lid, because literally these lids get so nasty in under here, and we clean them all the time, but they just get nasty. And I have several cups that I use. Just recently I got the 40 ounce and I love it. I know there's a lot of controversy with that cup, but I actually really like it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bye, you guys.